Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a very nice Park lighter, which this particular example there on the bottom just says Park lighter, made in USA. Does not denote either Springfield, Illinois or Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This is, I believe, an aluminum insert, which, well, many of the Park lighters with these aluminum inserts would have plastic screws. This one actually has, I believe it's an aluminum screw, but at least it's metal. And then rather than packed rayon, cotton, whatever, this one has the foam, solid foam insert there, which appears to hold fluid okay. No markings on the insert that I can see. Case is very heavy. I don't believe the case is aluminum. I could be wrong, but I believe that the case is brass that is then chrome plated. This is an advertising lighter for Anchor Coupling Company, Inc., hydraulic hose assemblies, couplings, and fittings. Looks as though some of the paint, I don't know, it looks very good with the naked eye, but as I look through the camera, I'm not sure that 100% of the paint is there, but that may just be the glare. I was thinking in these smaller letters. I don't know. There's definitely, I'm sure, some scratches to this bigger part up here. As there are scratches, scrapes, scuffs. I don't really see any dents or dings in this lighter. Maybe a ding or two, but I don't really see it. Very good condition. Very nice. Feels solid. Even with the aluminum insert, still feels relatively heavy for a Park lighter. Park, kind of like Zippo, they didn't really change much over the years. They're very good, very, I believe, underestimated, underappreciated, and even undervalued in the vintage lighter market. Company that was around for a long time, began in Springfield, Illinois, and then moved to Murfreesboro, Tennessee in the early 1960s. Solid lighters, they were really good. Some of my favorites. These park lighters have a tendency, when the flint tube is obstructed, when the flint is seized in the tube, they're very tough to clear those tubes. A lot of times the drill just doesn't want to go through it. I don't know if it's something about the way that the degraded flint reacts with the softer aluminum. But man, it seems to really grab a hold of that tube and not want to let go. When I get a park that's got an obstructed flint tube, I don't look forward to clearing it. Zippos are usually easy. Park, I don't know, something about those aluminum tubes. Aluminum inserts. If you like old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button, copy that link, and send it off in a text, email, social media, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Also, comment below if you have any questions, comments about the park lighters, or any comments and questions in general. And we would also appreciate it if you would like us across all the social media platforms. That would be Dependable Flame or DependableFlame.com, on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and of course eBay. Until next time. Merry Christmas, everyone.